Next, we are honored to invite Mr. Liao, team leader from Grundfos, the world's leading water pump brand, to share with us.
The world's leading pump brand, Grundfos. Taiwan Branch Manufacturing Department. Liao Guoqiang, team leader.
Hello, team leader Liao. First, I'd like to ask, what are the biggest differences between MCM plant-based cutting fluid and traditional semi-synthetic cutting fluids in terms of factory environment, cleanliness, and long-term machine downtime stability?
Compared to the oils we used before, this plant-based one is the first I've ever used. In terms of cost, consumption has been cut in half. Regarding the environment, it's nothing like before back then. The equipment and workplace would get dirty and smelly. With this plant-based cutting fluid, that's not an issue at all. There's no unpleasant odor, which is a huge benefit for both the environment and the health of our personnel. During the Lunar New Year in the past, when we were using traditional cutting oil, we always had to assign staff to maintain the cutting fluid. Before the holiday, we had to make product adjustments, especially for castings, since they can't be left too long or they'd rust. But now, with the plant-based cutting fluid, this problem doesn't occur. We tested it during the 10-day Lunar New Year holiday in 2023. Without assigning anyone to maintain the cutting fluid, the castings were left for 10 days and showed no signs of rust.
I'd like to ask another question. Has MCM plant-based cutting fluid made a noticeable impact on air pollution in your factory?
Oh, absolutely. Based on our long-term data, our air pollution treatment costs have decreased by 80%. In terms of procurement costs, our monthly expenses have also gone down by nearly 80%. As for rags used in the plant, we've also cut usage by about half.
One more question for you, Team Leader Liao. After Grundfos adopted MCM plant-based cutting fluid, what has been the general feedback from your operators?
Oh, the feedback from the team. We did a survey with some of the staff and they were very satisfied. First, in summer, there's much less of a smell issue. Second, when wiping down the machines, it's easier now. Previously, with oil-based cutting fluids, it was harder to clean the Penelcet, took more effort by hand. But with the plant-based cutting fluid, cleaning the machines is much easier. And it's also reduced our equipment maintenance time.
Thank you, Team Leader Liao. Based on your experience, would you recommend the MCM plant-based cutting fluid to your customers or friends?
Yes, definitely. Overall, whether in terms of cost or the health and environment of our staff, we've significantly reduced unnecessary losses. From the standpoint of social responsibility and environmental sustainability, I'm more than willing to share this experience with colleagues or industry peers.
Great! So, would you say MCM plant-based cutting fluids are excellent?
Absolutely.
Your success, we make it happen.